Lavans is a family business in the Netherlands, specializing in the rental and care of work clothes, floor mops, and various types of doormats and runners. At the laundry site in Helmond, Lavans operates two Hänel Multi-Space systems, each with a height of 6 meters and a width in excess of 7 meters. These systems provide storage space for more than 1,800 doormats and protect them from dust and dirt. The 3-axis lift systems offer enormous storage capacity within a minimum footprint by utilizing the height available from floor to ceiling. The central location of the storage system ensures short routing within the laundry and thus saves time in the handling process. A picking cart is used to transport clean mats from the laundry to the storage systems. All mats have item numbers imprinted on them, and this data is recorded in the system. Employees enter the item numbers on the touchscreen of the controller when the mats are put into storage. The Hänel MP14N standalone controller automatically allocates vacant storage positions for the mats and ensures that the appropriate container is brought to the access point at an ergonomic height. The light barrier curtain in front of the access points ensures maximum safety for put and pick operations. The exact item storage position is shown in the container image displayed on the 12-inch touchscreen on the controller. When the put operation is complete, the user confirms this on the controller and then requests the next container. The Hänel Multi-Space automatically supports the put operation and updates all inventory data. Warehouse management is already integrated in the Hänel controller as a standard feature. In the near future, the Hänel lift systems will be integrated in the ERP system used at Lavans. This integration can be achieved quickly and without replacing any hardware, thanks to the flexible interface capabilities of the Hänel controller. Parallel order picking at 2 access points reduces waiting time to a minimum. The 3-axis technology used in the high-speed versions of the Hänel Multi-Space supports vertical and horizontal storage processes. The extractor travels along 2 axes at the same time and brings the requested items to the access point quickly, thanks to optimized routing. Enormous time savings and storage density, along with outstanding ergonomics and user-friendliness, are among the many compelling benefits delivered by the Hänel storage solution at Lavans.